Despite reports of Jamaican Usain Bolt being offered a professional contract by the Central Coast Mariners, club coach Mike Mulvey says he will not be drawn into speculations about the 8-time Olympic gold medalist. Reports are that agent for the 32-year-old Jamaican Ricky Sims confirmed that Bolt was offered a contract. Mulvey also asked reporters if they saw a place in the team.
We don't talk about speculation, so I don't know anything about that. Just had a great game, you know, a bit of end-to-end stuff, bit of controversy with the VAR, and we'll just take a breath from that. And
he hasn't signed one? Or he's not going to...
I don't know anything about that. Like I say, I don't talk about speculation. That's rumours or anything like that. That's for a few pay grades above my level.
Mulvey also asked reporters if they saw a place in the team for the Jamaican.
I do appreciate how important this story is for the rest of the world. I do appreciate that, but you know, you have a look at our front line today, and you wonder whether he could get into any of those positions, wouldn't you?
Of course, yeah. So where does that lead him then, I guess?
Well, you're just talking about speculation. I don't know anything about what you're talking about, and that's God's honest truth.
Bolt retired from athletics in 2017 and has been on trial with the A-League club.